Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss Quarter 3 Lesson 2 Arts and Crafts of Mindanao. Crafts, accessories, and body ornaments. I'm Jam and together with my partner, Nikert, we will take you through the beautiful and meaningful artworks from Mindanao. The arts and crafts of Mindanao are a vibrant reflection of the island's rich cultural heritage. Each community expresses its identity through weaving, carving, metalwork, accessories, and body ornaments.
Groups like the Tiboli, Maranao, Yakan, and Tausug preserve these traditions through unique designs, colors, and symbols that have been passed down for generations.
The arts and crafts of Mindanao include weaving like tinalak, wood carving like okir, beadwork, brasswork, body ornaments, accessories, and symbolic figures. Main art forms. Number 1. Sari Manok. The Sari Manok is a legendary bird of the Maranao people. It symbolizes good fortune and is often shown with colorful wings and a fish in its beak or talons.
Number 2. Okir. Okir refers to rectilinear and curvilinear plant-based designs used by the Maranaos.
Number 3. Face makeup and ornaments. Yakan. Before a wedding, Yakan couples wear white powder, lines, and dot patterns on their faces. Personal articles. Number 1. Kulintang. A musical instrument made of 8 graduated gongs laid in a row. It is the centerpiece of a kulintang ensemble.
Number 2. Kandit. A 15-meter red sash worn by the groom. It serves as spiritual protection and is decorated with Arabic script designs blessed by imams and hajjis.
Body ornaments and accessories. For this section, we will talk about some traditional body ornaments and accessories from different indigenous groups in Mindanao. These items are not only worn for decoration but also show their beliefs. First, we have the crocodile tooth. Many communities believe that wearing a crocodile tooth brings good luck. It is often used as a charm to keep the wearer safe from bad spirits. Next is the snake bone belt. This accessory is believed to give protection, especially to hunters or travelers. The snake is seen as a strong and smart creature. We also have the maniktigiyas, which are colorful seed beads. These are carefully handmade and worn for spiritual protection. They are always present during rituals, celebrations, and important gatherings. The pegopaan is a bamboo container used to store personal items, medicine, or ritual objects. The carvings on it show the culture and creativity of the community. And lastly, the lutuan, a small bronze charm box. This is where people keep valuable or sacred items like herbs, oils, or protective charms.
Now, let's move on to the accessories of the Tiboli people, who are known for their rich traditions and beautiful craftsmanship. One of their famous ornaments is the hilot, a brass belt worn by Tiboli women during dances and ceremonies. Its jingling sound adds life to their movements and makes the performances more expressive. They also have the suwat inimot, a wooden comb decorated with beads. It's not just for fixing the hair. It shows elegance, culture, and the artistic skills of the Tiboli women who craft and wear it. The kulintang is also a Tiboli accessory. Another important cultural treasure is the tinalak, an abaca cloth made through a traditional weaving process. The designs of the tinalak are inspired by dreams, which is why Tiboli weavers are called dream weavers. They believe their patterns are gifts from Fudalu, the spirit of the abaca.
Maranao okir designs. Flowing, plant-inspired carvings used in furniture, brasswork, and textiles. They symbolize strength, beauty, and prosperity.
Tausug ornaments. The Tausug use gold, silver, beads, coral, and pearls to create necklaces, belts, earrings, and ceremonial pieces. These represent elegance, bravery, and social status.
Now let's proceed to quick quiz. Number 1. What does the sari manok symbolize? Number 2. What does okir refer to?
What does the female wear in traditional wedding attire? What material is commonly used in okir designs?
Number 5. What do Mindanao woven textiles often show?
Love the Philippines, everyone! Thank you for watching our video presentation. We hope you learned something today.